In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Phantom Wallet to Binance. So first of all, we're going to open our Binance app, and in here you need to select the crypto asset that you want to transfer. So you can just go ahead and search for it and then click on it, or you can just click on deposit crypto or something that's saying deposit. And in here it's called deposit crypto. So I'm going to click on this. And now I need to select the coin that I am transferring, so the crypto asset. So go ahead and search for your coin and just click on it. And in this tutorial, I'm going to do it with BTC, so Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin in here. And now I need to select the network. And in this step, it's really important to match the network from Binance and Phantom Wallet, because if you do not match them, your crypto might get lost. But I'm just going to click on SegWit in here because I know that SegWit is on Phantom Wallet. So I'm going to click on this in here. And now I will have my wallet address in here. So I'm going to copy this to my clipboard. And now I'm going to open Phantom Wallet to paste this in. So from your Phantom Wallet, go ahead and click on the crypto asset you're transferring. So I can just go ahead and click on Bitcoin in here, or I can click on send in here. And once I do that, I will see Bitcoin. And now I need to click on allow paste. So let's go ahead and do that. And now we need to paste in the wallet address in here. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on paste and now click on next at the bottom. And here you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer. So you can just change the view from Bitcoin, for example, your crypto, to the dollar or euro view. I'm going to do this. So I'm just going to transfer around $7. So after I'm going to click on next, and at the bottom, I will see the network fee. So you can just change that as well to fast or slow. This will change the duration, but as you can see, it's taking 10 minutes at all three. So it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to leave it on average. And now I'm going to click on send at the bottom. So let's go ahead and do this. And now, as you can see, our transaction is submitted and it will take around 10 minutes. So I can see that the transfer is pending, and this will take a couple of minutes or maybe an hour before it to be in Binance. But this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.